Hello students, welcome to Python programming class, lecture 24. We are discussing unit 3 part 4, lists. Once again check the syllabus. So this is the syllabus. In previous lecture we completed 3 topics. List is a sequence, lists are mutable, traversing a list. In today's lecture we will discuss list operations, list slices and list methods. In coming lectures we will discuss remaining topics. Let's get into the today's lecture. List operations, list slices and list methods. Coming to the first one, list operations. Right here mainly concatenation and repetition is used. So check this. The plus operator concatenates the list. That means consider two lists. A is 1 2 3, B is 4 5 6, C is A plus B. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6, not 1 plus 4 2 plus 5 3 plus 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is the use of plus operator in the list. Similarly we can use star operator. So check this example. So list 0 star 4, that means it will repeat the element 4 times. Here also 1 2 3 star 3, that means 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, it will repeat 3 times. So this is the repeating operator star, right? So that's the concept of list operations. Next, coming to the list slices, right? As earlier said in the previous lecture, string slices, it is also works like same manner. So slice, we are dividing the list into pieces, right? Or we are collecting the elements from the lists. So consider one list T equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. This is one list, right? Now T in brackets, square brackets, this is index specification. 1 is the starting point, 3 is the ending point. So suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? T of 1 is the starting point, 1 is the starting point, 3 is the ending point, but ending point is excluded. So up to here 1 comma 2 is printed, B comma C. Check another example. T, there is no starting point, I am giving only ending point. So no starting point means it will always start with 0. So A, B, C, right? So ended with 4, that's why up to here it will be printed A, B, C, D. Next, T3 starting point is there, there is no ending point. So starting point D, E, F, up to end is printed D, E, F. Next, T starting point is there, ending point is there, but I am assigning another list, not displaying, I am assigning another list. That means T in square brackets 1 3, that means starting point 1, so B, ending point 3, that means before that 2. B, C are replaced with X and Y. Now print T, A is same, so B and C are replaced with X and Y, D, E, F are same, right? So this is the list slices. Next, coming to the list methods. So many methods are there, I will give only few methods. First one, consider this is a list T equal to A, B, D. Now I am using the method append. Append is used for to add the element into the list. So T dot append of D. So I am adding D. So print T. So A, B, C is common. In the last the element is added. Right? So that is the use of append. Now coming to the second one, sort. T equal to DCEBA. So this is the list. So there is no sorting order, right? Now how to sort? T dot sort. So now print T. So all are in sorting order A, B, C, D, E. So that is the sort method. Next coming to the another one, extend. So consider two lists T1 and T2. T1 is ABC, T2 is DE. Now I am extending T1. I am extending T1 ABC, okay, with T2. That means print T1. So T1 is now ABC. Extend the values with T2 DE. Right? If you write T2 here, print T2, not T1. Right? So these are the methods in the list. So many methods are there. Let's check some examples in the Jupyter lab. Right? Let's check one example for plus and star. List 1 equal to 10, 11. List 2 equal to 12, 30. Right? Run the code. So list 1 and list 2. Now apply plus operation. List 1 plus list 2. What it will display? 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? So list 1 star 2 gives 10, 11, 10, 11. Star 3 gives 10, 11, 10, 11, 10, 11. So like that you will repeat it. Next coming to list slicing. Okay. List 1 equal to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is the list. Suppose I want to print 11 to 13 only. So check the index 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I want to print one index. I want to print one index, two index, three index. So list 1 of 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. So you want to print 3 means give 4. So 11, 12, 13. Suppose give 3, you will get only 11, 12. That's why give 4. You will get 11, 12, 13. Right? Now another point. 1, 2, 4. It means 11, 12, 13 is, I am placing like 17, 18. Right? So run the code. Right? Now checklist 1. So 10, see here, 10 is as it is. So 11 is replaced with 17. 12 is replaced with 18. 13 is deleted because here the index total range is 3 elements, but here I am giving how many elements? 2 elements. The third one considered as empty. So suppose give 19 here on the code, run the code. So 10, 17, 18, 19 and 15, 16 is as it is. Now coming to the string methods. List 1 dot press tab, give append. Suppose I want to append 17. Right? Now check list 1. See here 17 is appended. Right? Now list 1 dot space pop, right? Pop of give 0, run. So what is the element? 10, right? Or another one, list 1 dot remove. See here, remove is there. So remove of some 17. Now check list 1 So 17 is removed, 10 is also removed. So 10, 18, 19, 15, 16, 17, like that. So here so many methods are there. Check the all methods. So that's the concept of list methods. So that's the today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.